Want to avoid cracked tiles when drilling?
Oh!
We have an easy hack to help you avoid this disaster. When drilling into tiles, you're going to need your impact driver, a drill, some masking tape, a pencil, a Phillips head drill bit, and a 4mm diamond drill bit. The key to this is the glass of cold water. The cold water is to stop the drill bit from overheating, which is the reason why your tile might crack. Start by placing your bracket where you want to install your blind to get an idea of where it needs to be. Take a piece of masking tape and put it where you want to install your bracket. This is so we can map out where the holes will need to be drilled. Now grab your pencil, pop the bracket up exactly where it needs to be, and mark off the hole placements where you will be drilling. You'll see on the masking tape that you now have the perfect guide of where those holes need to be. Next, get your drill and dip the diamond drill bit into the cold water. Now you only want to drill for about 3 seconds before stopping and once again dipping that drill bit into the cold water. Start drilling again in 3-second intervals to avoid that tile cracking. Once complete, you'll repeat the process for the next hole. And once the holes are pre-drilled, you can go ahead and install your brackets for your blind using your impact driver and the 6-gauge screws supplied with your blind. Happy drilling!